make sure that you can hear me. So we've had the painters in, they're still going, but yeah, it's looking really nice. Actually, I'll just step back a little bit so you can see the front a bit more. So we've just put beige royal on the rendered walls and woodland grey on the gutters and fascias, and the beige royal quarter on the window frames. Because they're old, we decided not to do white, which would show up the imperfections a bit more. We'll be fixing up this fireplace a little bit, but basically keeping it, and the ceilings have been done, which is nice. We'll be getting new grills for the EVAP. We've put a new evaporative system on the on the roof, so that's really nice. It works really well. Coming into summer, that'll be a selling point. We'll be getting the kitchen cabinets delivered in a couple of days' time. Next week we'll start getting them installed, so that'll be a bit exciting. Just had a new door put on here to go out to the backyard. It's only a small little 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom. So just trying to keep what we can and just replace things as inexpensively as possible. Getting some glossing or some priming done on the door frames and doors at the moment, ready for glossing. Got the 2nd bedroom here. I've got an oven off Marketplace, so that'll be going in once the kitchen's in. This bathroom's on a bit of a standstill. Had a bit of an issue here, but basically we'll be keeping this bathroom and fixing it up a little bit so that it's more appealing. And what have we got here? The 2nd bedroom. Got a new vanity which is going to go in the bathroom, and the master bedroom has now been patched. There was a lot of patching to be done. Some undercoat has already been done. Put in a new shelf and rail in there, wardrobe, and yeah, it's just starting to feel like it's going to be a beautiful home once we finish. The patio's also been painted, which is really nice. Beautiful big patio area. Painted the lattice, window frames and walls. Just need to still paint that piece of lattice there. We moved it and tried fixing it and stuff. We removed the lattice off here, so now I need to fix up the back garden. So the idea is to sit under your nice patio, look at the beautiful trees, and put in a little bit more garden down there, so you've got a nice garden outlook. Big shed down there, which is also a selling point. So all in all, it's coming together nicely, and I look forward to seeing it in another week's time when we've got a kitchen in. Until then, I'll see you later.